All right, so the Shockwave is gonna help with the inflammation and swelling in that area. All right, so today we got Junior. Junior, what brings you in?
I'm having severe sciatica pains and like lower back issues.
Lower back issues?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 out of 10, how's your pain when you first came in?
11.
11? How's the pain now?
We dropped it down to like a 6.
We dropped down to a 6, from 11 to a 6, and we haven't even touched them with our hands yet.
Amazing.
Out of 10, where are we at now?
Probably about 2.
2?
Yeah.
From 11 to 2.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, so today we got Junior. Junior, what brings you in?
I'm having severe sciatica pains and like lower back issues.
Lower back issues?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you had that for?
I've had it years ago, but it's been a big issue since the last 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
1 out of 10, how's your pain when you first came in?
11.
11?
Yeah.
How's the pain now?
Now we dropped it down to like a 6.
We dropped down to a 6, from 11 to a 6, and we haven't even touched them with our hands yet. So now we did some modalities. We might do a little bit more while we're doing the adjustments. Any headaches, anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. So we're gonna check your neck out. First, we're gonna clear your neck out. Let's see. Well, right there. Let your head drop for me. Let me have you put your palms up. Palms up. Feet out like so.
All right.
Like that. There we go. Just relax on me. There we go.
Ooh. Ooh. Shit.
Wow. Let your head drop.
Ooh.
And you know you needed that, huh?
No.
And just relax on me. Just relax. And he's all messed up. Just relax. How you feeling so far? Great. All right. That's what we want. That's what we want. Just relax. Where was the pain at mainly?
This side.
That side?
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna do right now is called Shockwave. Right here?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this stool, so I'm not hurt. All right, so the Shockwave is gonna help with the inflammation and swelling in that area. Feel it? Should I turn it up? Right over the area? Turn it up some more. Is it still intense? Loosening? All right, cool. So the Shockwave is gonna break a lot of stuff up. You had this for years. Really good with chronic injuries, the Q2. All right. Enough of that, right? Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Ooh. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Other side. Just relax. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come on up. How you feeling?
Amazing.
Out of 10, where we at now?
Probably about 2.
2?
Yeah.
From 11 to 2.
Amazing. Jeez.
Jesus was a chiropractor, man. I keep trying to tell him.
Yeah, you 100% on that one. Worth every minute.
All right.